Arrive in style with this Jeep 2017 Cherokee Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low-back bucket seats, bright white clear coat, Sport Appearance Plus included, bi-xenon HID headlamps, wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum deep tint sunscreen glass, disc, gloss black roof rails, park view rear backup camera, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, deep tint sunscreen glass, engine, 2.4 Li 4 multi-air flex fuel included, Tiger Shark flex fuel vehicle 50 state emissions, bi-xenon headlamps, deep tint sunscreen glass and gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.